Hi everybody, and welcome to NorCal Slot Car Scene. Yesterday, Ted Essie held a race at his Thunder Road Speedway located in Loomis, California, just outside Sacramento. Thunder Road Speedway was built by Brad Bowman. Thunder Road is one of the most challenging HO tracks in the country. It features long straightaways and elevation changes. This Eau Rouge section was patterned after the famous Cat Spa ramp. This is the famous Madness section, and here's why. Today's race featured Tyco 440X2s, Viper Jets, and Viper Level 4 magnet cars. Here's some action from the day's event. Thunder Road is one of the many tracks in the Sacramento area that hold regular HO races. Thanks for watching. This is Jim Rose with NorCal Slot Car Scene.